Adam here. Today I'm comparing Simplisafe and Cove, two well-known home security companies that people often narrow it down to when they're shopping for a DIY system with professional monitoring. Before we get into the details, I do want to mention that if you're looking for what I consider a better overall option, there's a link in the first pinned comment and in the description that's worth checking out. It can give you a clearer picture of an alternative that may offer a stronger overall balance. Now, starting with Simplisafe. One of the biggest reasons people gravitate towards Simplisafe is the depth of its equipment lineup. You get a wide range of sensors, cameras, and add-ons that let you tailor the system to your home instead of forcing a one-size-fits-all setup. The app experience is also very polished. Everything from arming the system to checking alerts feels smooth and responsive, which matters when you're relying on it day to day. Simplisafe has also leaned into more advanced features over time, including smarter monitoring tools that help identify real threats faster. For homeowners who like having flexibility and more control over how their system behaves, that added innovation can be a real plus. Overall, Simplisafe feels like a system that's built to grow with you as your needs change. Cove, on the other hand, approaches things a bit differently. Cove is especially appealing to people who want to keep upfront costs reasonable while still getting reliable equipment and professional monitoring. The system is designed to be easy to set up, and most users can get everything running without much hassle. That simplicity is a big part of Cove's appeal. Cove also earns strong marks from customers when it comes to value. The equipment does what it's supposed to do, and the monitoring experience feels dependable. For someone who wants core home security without a lot of extras, Cove checks the right boxes. It's a straightforward system that focuses on affordability while still delivering peace of mind. When you put Simplisafe and Cove side by side, the difference really comes down to flexibility versus simplicity. Simplisafe tends to win when it comes to overall features, app experience, and long-term customization. Cove stands out for budget-conscious buyers who want solid protection and good value without feeling overwhelmed by options. That said, this is the point where I recommend taking a look at the better alternative I mentioned earlier. Right in the middle of your decision-making process is the perfect time to click the link in the pinned comment or the description. That option often combines professional-grade equipment with pricing structures that can lead to meaningful upfront savings, especially when you're looking at longer-term protection. Both Simplisafe and Cove can be good choices depending on what you prioritize, and neither one is a bad system. But if you're aiming for the best overall balance of value, performance, and long-term benefits, the alternative in that link is worth a serious look. So before you decide between Simplisafe and Cove, take a moment to check the link below in the pinned comment or the description. It may end up being the smarter overall choice for your home and your budget.